Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, classmate. My name is Alpin Ilmida. By the way, my report is all about Philippine primitive art. What is primitive art? Primitive art is for the survival and safety of our ancestor. Primitive art is another term often applied to art by those without formal training, but is historically more often applied to work from certain culture that have been judged socially or technologically. There are two Philippine primitive art. First is cave painting. Cave painting are the type of oriental art found on the wall or ceiling of caves. The term usually implies prehistoric origin, but cave painting can also be of recent production. This picture is an example of cave painting here in the Philippines, municipally or Binangonon province of Rizal. The Angono Petroglyph Site Museum is located. It was accidentally discovered by national artist Carlos Butong Francisco with a troop of Boy Scouts during a field trip in 1965. The next one is burial jar. Burial jar is talk about human burial where the corpse is placed into a large earthenware and then is interred. Then burial are the repeated pattern at a site or within an archaeological culture when an anomalous burial is found in which a corpse or cremated remain have been interred. This picture is an example of burial jar here in the Philippines was found in Monongol Cave, Point Palawan in the early of 1960s. That's all, ma'am, and thank you, and God bless.
Congratulations. You're born.